Hello and welcome back. I'm Joseph Hoffman. Today we're learning a new song called Rain Come Wet Me. Let's take a listen to it once. Rain come wet me, sun come dry me, keep away everyone, don't come nigh me. Sometimes my students ask me about the lyrics of this song. There's an old-fashioned word in here, don't come nigh me, which means don't come near me. I kind of think this song is about like that feeling you get when you just want to be alone. Keep away everyone, don't come nigh me. It means just kind of leave me alone. Now let's figure out how the notes of this song are moving. I'll sing just the first 4 notes, and you try to show me with your hand how those notes are moving. Ba, 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 ba. What did you hear? If you said the notes are going down, you're correct. Let's sing the first phrase together and move our hands with the notes. Ready? Try it with me. Go. Rain come wet me. Good. Now listen to the next 4 notes and tell me how they're moving. Sun come dry me. Did you notice that those notes were the exact same? New lyrics, but the same notes. So we have rain come wet me, sun come dry me. It makes a pattern. Remember in hot cross buns we had that repeating pattern. Rain come wet me is the same thing. Now, what about the next pattern? We have ba 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 ba. Was that the same as the first pattern? That's right, it's a new pattern. This time the notes go so me so, so me so. And now here's the last pattern. Ba 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 ba. Was that the same as our first pattern or the second one? If you said the first pattern, you're correct. Now, let's draw the form of this song. The form means the patterns all put together. We'll use A to mean the first pattern. We started with rain come wet me. Then we go to sun come dry me, which was the same pattern, so we need another A. Now we have a new pattern. Keep away everyone. So we'll use B to show that pattern, and then we finish with one more A. Don't come nigh me. So the form of rain come wet me is A, A, B, A. Now let's try singing the solfege together with our hand signs. So it starts on a so, then it skips down to me, then it steps down twice. Re, do. Can you try that with me? Let's sing Rain Come Wet Me with solfege and hand signs. Ready, go. So, mi, re, do. So, mi, re, do. So, mi, so. So, mi, so. So, mi, re, do. Good. Now let's practice moving our fingers to play this song. Okay, let's hold your right hand in the air like this. For Rain Come Wet Me, we'll start on a so, and then we skip down to mi, and then step down re, do, like this. So, mi, re, do. Now you try. Good. Then we do that again. My turn. So, mi, re, do. Your turn. Good. Now for keep away everyone, we have so, mi, so. Then you have to play so again. So, mi, so. So it will look like this. So, mi, so. Then so again. So, mi, so. Now you try. Good. Now let's try that part with words. Keep away everyone. Your turn. Good. Then we end with don't come nigh me. Your turn. Good. Now let's try it on the piano. For Rain Come Wet Me, let's place the right hand in the D major pentascale. Don't forget to put finger 3 on the black key F sharp. Now, we'll start with So, then we skip down to Mi, Re, Do. My turn first, then you take a turn. So, Mi, Re, Do. Now your turn. Good. Then we do that again. So, Mi, Re, Do. Your turn. Good. Now we do So, Mi, So. Your turn. Then that same pattern again. So, Mi, So. Your turn. Now let's put those two short patterns together. So we have So, Mi, So, So, Mi, So. Your turn. Then we finish with one last So, Mi, Re, Do. Your turn. Good. Now, let's try the whole song together, singing the solfege. Ready, go. So, Mi, Re, Do. So, Mi, Re, Do. So, Mi, So. So, Mi, So. So, Mi, Re, Do. Great job. Now let's try it with the left hand. Place the left hand in the D major pentascale. I'll take a turn, then you take a turn. So, Mi, Re, Do. Your turn. Then we do that again. Let's try it together. Ready, go. So, Mi, Re, Do. Good. Now the next part is So, Mi, So. So, Mi, So. Your turn. Good. Then we finish with So, Mi, Re, Do. Your turn. Good. Now with the left hand, let's try the whole song and sing the lyrics this time. Rain Come Wet Me. Ready, go. Rain come wet me, sun come dry me, keep away everyone, don't come nigh me. Good. If it's ever too hard, just press pause and practice on your own. Then press play again when you're ready to try it with me. Great job today learning Rain Come Wet Me. Remember, I'd like you to practice every day. You should play it in your right hand as well as your left hand. You can try it in the D major pentascale as well as the C major. You could transpose it. From our website, you can download the sheet music so you can follow along as you play. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Mr. Hoffman, what's that you have there? It's a rain stick. It's a kind of instrument. Would you like to hear it? Sure, I would. Okay, here goes. Wow, it does kind of sound like rain. Yeah, little seeds inside the stick make that sound. Whoa, it's so realistic, it actually feels like it's raining.